Get ready to be amazed because this viral literally everywhere right is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes SEA so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity today without any delay. Get ready to be amazed because this viral literally everywhere right is officially taking over the internet.